Gervasio de Ocampo Hospital was built and founded in 1947 at Sosaigo Street, Santa Mesa, Manila. A clinic has a 25-bed capacity. The clinic was founded by the late Dr. Vicente R. de Ocampo in memory of his father, Gervasio de Ocampo. In 1957, the hospital transferred to a new building adjacent to the Philippine Dental College along Nagtahan Street, Santa Mesa, Manila. The new hospital has a 100-bed capacity and was named the Ocampo Memorial Medical Center.
Ay, naku, stop ko na to. Yun na lang.